Hi friend, welcome back to my channel for content creators and entrepreneurs. I'm Shana Yurko, and today I'm gonna show you how to erase the background out of a photo with one click. This is a technique you can use with people or products, so if you ever need a background taken out of an image for any reason, this video is for you. Let's get into it. All right, in the past, if you wanted to erase the background from a photo, you had to do all sorts of Photoshop magic. It took a lot of specialty, expertise, and time. Trust me, I've been editing photos and videos for 10 years, and I used those Photoshop techniques like every day at one point. Which is why I am so stoked to share today's non-Photoshop solution with you. We're going to take the backgrounds out of a photo using Canva. Here we are, homepage in Canva. I do have the Pro account, but as of right now, when I'm recording this video, this feature is available if you have a free account as well. So first thing you have to do is to create a design. I'm gonna go up here to the top right corner and click Create Design. You can create whatever aspect ratio you choose. Let's say I want to make an Instagram post. It will automatically size it for you here. Then what you need to do is you need to go into Uploads. And as you can see, I have a few things already uploaded in here. Let's go ahead and use this one. When your image is selected here, you can go up to this effects button, click on background remover, and you can see it working its magic here. And voila, look, it even took everything out, but kept my laptop there. So this background eraser is so powerful, it's insane. All right, let's try it with this photo that I took for a reel. Like, this background is really ugly, I don't want it in there. So let's delete it. Select the photo, click on effects, select background remover and let it work its magic. And there we go, boom. It does such a good job. Oh my gosh. Do you know how long that would take me in Photoshop? Too long, my friend. Okay, so let's move along and try this with a photo of an object. So these here are some product mockups that I found when I Googled digital product mockups. And I needed to use them to create something for a sales page. You can also do this with actual real life objects as well. So let's go ahead and just use this one here. There we go, select the photo, click effects, background remover, boom. Perfect background removal in seconds. I'm speechless. Maybe you have an Amazon store and you need to cut it out and have it on a perfectly white background. This is a great tip here for you. Let's just see what it does with this. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so perfect. You can totally use this for objects, it's amazing. Let's say I wanted to use this. We're testing now. Canva, are you good? Yo, look at that. It completely took out that background. That's pretty incredible. You can do this with one click. Here's a couple examples of how I used this background removal tool. I used it to cut myself out and put myself on my IGTV cover photos. This is another way that I used that background remover tool. I took the background out, added in a few things, and voila. I had to work a little bit of extra Photoshop magic to get this one done, but got a huge, great digital product mockup. So that's how you can use Canva to remove the background from pretty much any photo. It saves you so much time and opens up a ton of possibilities for you, especially if you're a solopreneur and you have to do everything yourself like me, Chief Everything Officer. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more tips on how to level up your content and your business. These videos here are a great starting point. And leave me a comment below telling me if you're going to use this tip to edit photos of people or objects. Make sure you share this video with someone who needs it because, you know, sharing is caring. And that's all that I have for you this week. I'll see you in the next video.